Good evening, and I welcome all of you to another session of Conversationist Talking Cures. We at Conversationist have been actively working in the area of mental health, wellness, and well being. Our aim has been to, to start a conversation, to get things out of the closet, and to bring to the limelight or bring to mainstream certain conversations that haven't happened and mental health is one of them. हमारी हमने हमेशा ये देखा है कि मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बात करना, अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बात करना या साइकोलॉजिस्ट, मेंटल हेल्थ काउंस वर्कर्स के पास जाना, उसमें हमें हमेशा एक थोड़ा-सा लगता है कि हमें नहीं जाना है, हम हर चीज़ छुपा के रखते हैं। तो हमारा कन्वर्सेशनल टॉकिंग क्योर्स का फोकस यही रहा है कि लेट्स स्टार्ट कन्वर्सेशंस अबाउट इट। लेट अस टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स जो हम क्लोजेट में रखते हैं, सो दैट बिकॉज टॉकिंग क्योर्स एंड टॉकिंग इज थेरेप्यूटिक। और आज आज का जो ये सेशन है, इट इज अबाउट द वर्क वी आर डूइंग एंड द सर्विसेज वी ऑफर अंडर कन्वर्सेशनलिस्ट टॉकिंग क्योर्स। और हमने वी डिसाइडेड टू have this session to better educate our listeners. And I thank all the listeners who are joining in. Ratna is here, Madhuri is here, and आज के session में I will look for your inputs. जैसे आपने हमेशा support करा है conversationist को, we are looking forward to more inputs because today we are talking about problems and we are going to talk about other sessions. So before we begin and before we start with the life problems, I would like to give an overview of some of the work conversationists have done. So I would request my team to please show the slides. You know what हमने काम शुरू करा, we started with music cures and music is therapeutic. So and we called in very eminent people and the slides are just coming up. इसमें हमने बहुत सारे लोगों को बुलाया जिन्होंने अपनी स्टोरी शेयर करी। हमारा एम ये था कि जब हम दूसरों की स्टोरी सुनते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है कि it is not if people have gone through tough times, challenges and come out of it, or how people have used their strengths to uh, really talk about issues. I think my video is blurred, so I will just Kedarji, thank you for joining in, Krishna. Krishna sir is also here. I'll just see, let me just continue. If you can hear my voice clearly, I think the slides are just coming up. So meanwhile, I'll just check my video also. हमने क्या करा कि okay. So I will, meanwhile, I'll request the team to just put on the slides and I'll just re-log in. But I hope my voice is clear. So हमने first session जो हमने करा वो music करा. Then we got in various people from the arts, क्योंकि another therapeutic thing जो हम कर सकते हैं, especially during these times, COVID times, is this that we used. There are many people who inspire us and who used art very creatively, and we have some of them here. And we were really just looking at getting in people so that these stories inspired us and they inspired a lot of people also because we have been getting messages, people have been reaching out to us. The next series we did was there was an incident that took place which was regarding the boys locker room. हमने सोचा कि हम हमेशा हमने women के बारे में बात करी है, सब बात करी है, लेकिन we've never spoken about men. Because it is presumed that all the conversation is always about men. So हमने masculinity पे conversation शुरू करी. We got in various people. We spoke about taboo issues like pornography and what being an adult means and what are the issues that men face and relationship issues. So we spoke about that. After that, in the month of June, which is also the LGBTQ month, हमने Pride month actually. So we spoke about, we got in people जिनकी stories from the LGBT QIA community and हमने हर तरह के लोग लाए. We got somebody, we got Anjali Gopalan, who started this, who got us NAS Foundation for the case for the rights of LGBTQ community. हम उनकी स्टोरी सब लोगों ने शेयर करी, और जो इंटरसेक्स जो लोग थे, गोपी आए थे, बहुत सारे लोग आए थे, एंड शरीफ एंड रिचा एंड डिफरेंट पीपल, और उन्होंने अपनी स्टोरी शेयर करी, एंड दैट गेव अस एन it provided us, they were inspirational, they also gave us courage to see how people are dealing with issues, because क्या होता है कि हर जना when you learn, when you see others वो कैसे करते हैं, we learn from them, and this has been the aim, and and besides this, ये एक हमने कॉन्वर्सेशंस करे हैं, इसके अलावा हमारे पास बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे थे, लोग, पीपल वर रीचिंग आउट टू अस, हमने, we are doing personalized online counseling, we are doing therapy for individuals, for groups, or based on that there are a lot of learnings that are coming out, and पहले लगता था एक टाइम पे कि face to face counseling is of course very good, but now we have been able to do online, we are doing video, we are doing online counseling through video, through uh, if you want a video counseling, we do video, otherwise we do a telephonic counseling, and people have reached out to us with their problems, and in this session we will be taking a few common problems, and we would be, sorry for that, and we would be discussing some of the problems that we have with us, and I'll just discuss one case. The first case I want to take is that this is before I tell you, all the names जो हैं, हमने सारे नाम बदले हैं और उनकी जगह बदल रखी है, because the main premise of counseling therapy is that it's the secrecy clause, it's the privacy clause, and we do not confidentiality clause. We do not reveal any information, or unke names, place, everything, every identification has been changed. So the first case that one of the first things that I want to discuss is, say Ram, his name is Ram, and he is a 19-year-old student, and उनको लगा था कि वो mentally disturbed है, so he thought he must see a counselor, और इसके लिए उन्होंने he spoke to somebody from a Facebook post, and from a Facebook group he reached out to a counselor, and counselor ने उनको advice दी to be grateful and told him to maintain a journal and be positive. So he shared this with his friend, and she also gave him some counseling tips. So now he's written to us that I am still disturbed, as the advice, it was good, as the advice did not help, and he's asking, should I see another counselor? And ye isliye I took this case, because okay, there we have who is a psychologist and a counselor, and I took this case because I felt that हम सबको थोड़ा सा clarity होनी चाहिए कि who is a psychological counselor. There are many people, आप नाम सुन रहे होंगे, mentors हैं, life coach हैं, so many others are there. So difference between a counselor and mentor and other things, आप अगर counselor के पास जा रहे हैं, तो first thing, आपका counselor या mental health professional या psychologist, वो एक graduate or post graduate है, trained in the field of psychology, preferably trained in counseling, clinical psychology, counseling psychology, education psychology, developmental psychology, or he or she is trained to understand all aspects of human behavior, आपके emotions, thoughts, how you behave in a group, and ये सब knowledge is necessary so that he can understand you better. The second part is that आपका जो, जब आप काउंसलर को देखते हैं, मैं डिग्रीज और एक्रेडिशंस पे नहीं जा रही हूँ, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बेसिक जो ट्रेड्स आपको देखने चाहिए. जो एक जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट या आपका काउंसलर है, वो he or she is trained in a very major thing जो होती है, which is that the counselor or the therapist will never project his or her desires, opinions, emotions on the client or patient. और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, और इसकी ट्रेनिंग जब हम देते हैं, और जब when we undergo that training, we are taught how to बी वेरी क्लियर कि ये मेरी विश नहीं है, ये मेरी अनकॉन्शियस डिजायर नहीं है जो मैं क्लाइंट पे प्रोजेक्ट कर रही हूँ. यस, माधुरी जी एकदम ठीक कह रही है. एनीवन कैन गिव अ हेल्पिंग हैंड, but treatment should be done by a professional. And today, this is exactly what I want to just take a few minutes to differentiate. Helping hand, everybody can give. Everybody is sensitive, especially the sensitive people. लेकिन एक जो trained professional है, उसकी qualities की ये training उसने ली है. और a trained और counselor is, we are as psychologists, we are trained in listening without judging. क्योंकि biasness unconsciously भी creep होती है. It just creeps into your decisions. So we are trained to how to avoid those pitfalls. Or besides this, counselors, we are trained to understand the body language. कोई भी counselor जो है आप जा रहे हैं, he or she will interpret your body language also. He's trained to understand signs and symptoms, and she will help you understand the roots, the source of your problem. और उस पे ही जाना बहुत जरूरी होता है. He will take you to the source of your problems. कोई एक ओवरऑल कोई ऐसा क्योर नहीं है जो हम दे सकते हैं. This is not like the physical illness के एस्पिरिन से सभी को असर पड़ जाएगा. तो आप जो आप एक काउंसलर के साथ शेयर करते हैं वो कॉन्फिडेंशियल है, योर राइट टू प्राइवेसी है, और ये क्लॉज बहुत सीक्रेट है. और तो जो एक बेसिक जो जॉब है काउंसलर का, वो आपको help you discover the various options, alternatives, solutions, perspectives that to your problems, which are unique to you. She will help you discover all of that and help you chart a course to take an informed decision to resolve and better your own life. So I hope if anybody else, I would request if kisi aur ko you have some more tips, please give and please share with all of us so that it can help all the people. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि सही है, साइकोलॉजिस्ट यहाँ एक्सेप्टेंस, रिस्पेक्ट, लव, ये रॉजर्स ने भी कहा है, अनकंडीशनल एक्सेप्टेंस, अनकंडीशनल लव एंड अनकंडीशनल रिस्पेक्ट एंड जॉय, ये तो हर हेल्पिंग प्रोफेशनल का भी होना चाहिए, और यही एक बहुत जरूरी चीज है. The first case I want to talk today, and the first case I've already taken. और अगर जो राम है उनको यही ऑप्शंस अभी हमें दिखे, तो जो भी हैं वो सुन भी रहे हैं, और he she they know who we are talking about. So I hope this has helped you. और I would request the team to just show the kind of work we have done. If you can show the slides, the people who have come on our show, if you can. Okay, I think there is some connectivity problem. Meanwhile, I'll talk about the second case. And Naam, of course, name has changed and place and everything has been changed. Sangeeta is a 22-year-old girl who has just completed her college. She is confused about her identity. She says she feels attracted to girls. In fact, she writes that she is in love with her childhood friend. But since she expressed herself to her friend is not talking to her. And she feels confused as she is not sure about herself anymore. Her family is very orthodox and they will never accept her. Further, she said that somewhere she's also not sure if she belongs to the LGBT or she's a lesbian, because she says that she's never gone out with a boy or a girl, and she had, though in her school, because she studied in a co-education school, she did feel that okay, she was also attracted to boys, but nothing. She's never gone and you know uh, gone out or explored the relationship. And now when she's written to us, she says she's very unhappy ideation. अब इसमें दो चीजें हैं. सुसाइडल आइडिएशन, मैं बोलना चाहूंगी कि सुसाइडल आइडिएशन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि शी सुसाइडल. आइडिएशन है एंड वी हैव डेल्ट विद दैट एस्पेक्ट. तो आइडिएशन इज वेरी कॉमन. 50% of the population always at some point has this, and so she's just that is we've dealt with that. And so she says, because of these things, she says, what is, I really don't know. And आपको क्या लगता है? I would request all of you to, just uh, given your views about what are the possibilities for her. क्योंकि solutions life में possibilities होती हैं, and it depends on the person how what chart we take. So some of the options जो हमें लगा and what we gave was, the first thing, of course, we told her, and if she's this, that you should explore yourself, you should explore your relationships, because without exploration you will not really discover yourself. You're just 22. There is a lot of discovery to happen, and in India we are not very experimental, and we are not our about our relationships, and our things, our sexual relationships also don't really start before that for many people. Things are changing, but since the kind of background she's described, which I'm not talking about. So this is the list of possibilities we told her was this. Second is, we told her, please take your time. You're not in a hurry. Take your time. Meet people of all genders, and then slowly, because identity formation is a slow process, and you should just go out and see, meet people, and then you will know where you stand. I have the second option we feel is that she should join some of the support groups. Earlier, it was not difficult. Earlier, it was a very difficult time, but now we have these groups, which we have these LGBTQIA support groups, and last month we did a whole series here, and so now it was very easy. It was easier for us to give her some names to join some groups, and so that she doesn't feel alone in her journey of discovery. Because जब हमारी आइडेंटिटी हम डिस्कवर करते हैं ना, कई बार बहुत अकेलापन होता है, इसलिए जब लोग कहते हैं इट इज अ टाइम टू गो विद इन जाना बहुत अच्छा है, पर विद इन lot of past memories are there, many things are there, so you just don't go within, you do it in a safe environment, and when you have the safety net has to be there, because your mind will throw up many things. दूसरा हमने इससे कहा है कि if she, because many things, her family is very orthodox, and we also told her that if you are a lesbian, and your parents and society are not going to accept you, they are not going to, you know wherever you belong, if your environment is going to be very harsh to you, and आपको किसी भी उसमें एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा, एंड अगर आप में करेज, अगर आपको लगता है कि अभी फिलहाल आपके पास उतने रिसोर्सेस और स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है उनसे, सोसाइटी से लड़ने के लिए, क्योंकि उसके लिए एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए, यू हैव टू बी ऑन योर ओन, एंड यू शुड नो इट इज अ टफ जर्नी. और जो हमारे यहाँ, जब भी हमारे पास जो लोग आए थे, उन्होंने खुद भी बोला था कि इट इज, उनकी स्टोरीज इटसेल्फ, इट इज अ टफ जर्नी, तो वन हैज टू be ready for it. And if you're not ready, हमने उससे कहा है कि you don't have to come out in the open right now. You have to, there is no hurry. आपको अगर ओपन में भी आना है तो it should be when you are comfortable with it. Anything else that you feel we should add to her, please let us know. आपको क्या लगता है कि is this okay, या हमें कुछ और करना चाहिए था? Can you please enlarge the slides? Can I just, okay. So this is a thank you note to the first series we did, where we had people here, and जो music cures हमारा था, और अभी ये दिख रही है, आप प्लीज इसको अच्छे से दिखा दीजिए. I want to show that we got an eminent people जिन्होंने अपनी stories भी share करी, and they did not shy away from saying कि there were depressive moments in their life. डॉक्टर आनंद जी थे, और इतने इतने सारे लोग थे. और उसके बाद हमने नेक्स्ट सीरीज करी आर्ट क्योर्स, जिसमें वी गॉट इन आर्टिस्ट फ्रॉम डिफरेंट स्पीयर्स. वी गॉट इन पोएट्स, एंड वी गॉट इन पेंटर्स एंड स्टोरी टेलर्स, एंड इट वाज, एंड दिस इज अ थैंक यू नोट अगेन टू देम, बिकॉज उन्होंने हमें बहुत सारी चीजें अपनी स्टोरी के थ्रू जो हमने लर्निंग ली है, उस पे we will be also coming out with certain articles and other things. And so this is the other part. Then the third series was on Into the Minds of Men and conversations, breaking the silence, conversations, and this Into the Minds of Men. I thank all the people who joined us. And this was, can you show it on the full screen, please? So this was, these were the people who joined us. And we got a perspective, or it gave us a new perspective. Of course, the conversations beyond genders, boundaries, geographies, and we got some very eminent people. और हमारे लिए सभी एवरी पर्सन जिन्होंने यहाँ पे बात करी है, इट्स बीन इस एक स्पेस को इतना सेक्रेड और इतना इट बिकेम सच अ सेक्रेड स्पेस ऑलमोस्ट, क्योंकि जब हम अपने बारे में शेयर करते हैं तो आप यू आर ऑलमोस्ट यू आर शेयरिंग अ वेरी वेरी इनर पार्ट ऑफ योर सोल एंड अपने थॉट्स और and this is when you share your stories. So anything that is so sacred, we are really honored to have all the people here. And the second case, or the third case actually, which I want to discuss, is about name changed, of course. Simran is which is a very common problem, and it's not one person, but I have taken this case because बहुत सारे लोग ये problem is very common amongst the youngsters today. And Simran is a college student. She says that because of the lockdown, she has to stay with her parents, and she's an only child, and she has always studied in the hostel. Now with her parents in this lockdown, she feels very she feels वो privacy नहीं देते, और they are always criticizing her, and they have their expectations. वो चाहते हैं वो जल्दी उठें, एक्सरसाइज करें, कुकिंग सीखें, और उनको लगता है कि हर बात पे वो पेरेंट्स टोकते रहते हैं. And she says she's written that she's very depressed, and she feels she cannot cope with the situation. Before we go further, I would request if you can give me some suggestions. आप क्या कहेंगे? What should we be? What are our options? Okay, let me just start, and then we will see. As I just as parents, we are all parents also. Many of us are parents, many of us are not. But as parents, sometimes we need to understand our children. ये जो कोविड सिचुएशन है, इसने हमें दो चांस, इसने हमें it can be a conflict situation, and it can be an opportunity to understand the people, our own near family members. Or on a lighter note, yes, it can be a bane and it can be a boon. हम इसे कैसे लेते हैं? और ऑप्शंस, आपको एज पेरेंट्स हम स्पेस नहीं देते बच्चों को. कई बार हमें लगता है, कृष्णा जी ने ऑलरेडी कह दिया है कि शी मस्ट हैव हर ओन room first. She has her own room. They are from a well-to-do family, so she has her own room, and but but they will keep. She has her own room, so that is okay. But I don't think she would be comfortable locking herself in the room because parents want her out. So as parents, I feel we need to understand our children. थोड़ा सा स्पेस देने की जरूरत है. और हमें even for the girl, for Simran and for the parents, as parents हमें डर ये बात का लगता है कि बच्चा, because we have been trained in a certain way, हमें डर ये लगता है कि बच्चा डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, वेस्ट कर रहा है टाइम, सुबह जल्दी उठने का, इतने साल से उनको यही था जल्दी उठो, एक्सरसाइज करो, सब चीजें. और कहीं पे एज चिल्ड्रन हमने कभी ये कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं दिया है कि वी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड वील डू वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट. सो one is the parents should give goals to the child, to the give goals, give tasks. We and somewhere both have to communicate, क्योंकि दोनों को थोड़ा थोड़ा वॉक करके मिडवे देखना पड़ेगा. दे हैव टू कम्युनिकेट. वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट हर प्राइवेसी, ऑफ कोर्स कृष्णा जी ने कहा है, एंड एब्सोल्युटली राइट. और जो चिल्ड्रन है, दे आल्सो हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम. It's not about कि आप 6 बजे क्यों नहीं उठ रहे और एक्सरसाइज क्यों नहीं कर रहे. Where is that coming from? And similarly, for the parent to understand how, what difference will it make अगर बच्चा 6 बजे के बजाय 9 बजे उठ रहा है. You have to give tasks, you have to give goals कि हमें ये टास्क चाहिए, हमें ये गोल चाहिए. और थोड़ा-सा कई बार एक बार्टर सिस्टम भी कर सकते हैं, कि थोड़ा-सा नेगोशिएट करें पेरेंट्स के साथ कि ठीक है, बिकॉज़ पेरेंट्स हैं, आप उनकी भी इनसिक्योरिटीज़ देखें. सो द यंगर जनरेशन इज़ वेरी कॉम्पिटेंट एवरीथिंग. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज़ टेल देम कि ठीक है, यू वांट मी टू लर्न कुकिंग, आई विल लर्न इट. मैं हफ्ते में 1 दिन कुकिंग कर लूँगी, मैं उसके बदले में मुझे इतना-इतना चाहिए. और अगर आप अपना आपका जो वीक का आपका एक कैलेंडर है या कुछ भी चार्ट जो आप बनाते हैं कि मैं इतने घंटे पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ, एवरी डे टू डे आवरली कुछ नहीं बना के देना है, लेकिन आपको देना है कि ओके, दीज आर द गोल्स. अगर मेरी स्टडीज हैं, आई एम गोइंग टू बी स्टडिंग फॉर दीज मेनी आवर्स, मैं ये टास्क कंप्लीट करूंगी. आई थिंक दैट इन इटसेल्फ विल मेक देम फील सिक्योर एंड कॉन्फिडेंट कि ओके, द चाइल्ड, योर देयर चाइल्ड इज डूइंग समथिंग. Madhuri is asking, sorry, I missed Wi-Fi issues. Okay. Madhuri, what we were talking about is somebody, the girl feels कि वो बहुत, उसके पेरेंट्स उसको बहुत टोका टाकी कर रहे हैं, इतने बजे उठो, इतने बजे उठो. तो उसी का हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि what to do. They tell her, don't talk to your friends, don't talk to this one, why are you talking so much on, why are you so much on the internet, which is a very common problem. ये इन्हीं की नहीं, this is so many students, so many people keep calling and asking for what to do. Students are they are depressed because we have to understand that the child also needs to reach out. और एक चीज जो जो आई फील वर्क्स इज सबका मी टाइम होना चाहिए और सबका वी टाइम होना चाहिए. कुछ चीजें सब पेरेंट्स को भी, मदर को, फादर को, सब जनों को अकेले अकेले करनी चाहिए और कुछ चीजें हमें साथ में करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर स्पेस नहीं मिलेगी तो बहुत दिक्कत होगी. और ये जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, क्योंकि अगर छोटे मोटे होते तो बच्चे दोनों चीजों, आई एम श्योर द पेरेंट ऑल्सो मस्ट बी रीचिंग आउट टू समबडी, या खुद आपस में वो लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये क्यों हो रहा है इतनी लड़ाई. बट दिस इज वन वे वी कैन लुक एट सॉल्यूशंस. दीज आर सम ऑफ द ऑप्शंस. बिकॉज आपको ये देखना है कि माधुरी ने लिखा है कि घर घर की कहानी, बिकॉज हम एक दूसरे के कभी इतनी एक term होता है overcrowded. We are all feeling so overcrowded, and it is not overcrowded physically, it's the mental overcrowdedness, because everything you're doing there is somebody watching, and instead of watching, sitting with a fishing rod being judgmental, we can just let it be. Let people just be. आप सब एक दूसरे को टास्क दे दें कि हमें this is our expectation, and if it is real, negotiate कर लो parents and children, and see if it is real, what is doable, what is not, and work on it. Because इससे अच्छा मौका कभी नहीं मिलेगा to cement the relationships. And this time we should use to cement the relationships rather than drift apart. Because many relationships we are just drifting apart. ये जो sessions हम कर रहे हैं, the aim of these sessions is we are going to leave you with a question for the next session, and we want you to give your responses, because we want that we talk about these issues. They are so common. घर घर की कहानी उन्होंने लिखा ही है कि everywhere this is one issue that's happening. And I would like that if you have a story, if you have a problem, please you can share at this. I would request the team to kindly just put the just can you just put the address on a full screen. These are where you can reach us. You can also reach us at, if you want to just send a confidential message, you can reach us at chavi@conversationist.org or psychologistchavi@gmail.com. And it is CHAVI. This address is there. You can send us a message on a conversationist page. And like we said again, and मैं फिर से emphasize करूँगी, it is all confidential. We are not going to be, जो भी आप ना आपकी आइडेंटिटी, प्लेस, एनी मार्कर जो है, it will never be disclosed. Or the next common case that we are talking about is, I'm a 35-year-old man, and he says that Okay, and his name is Sham. And I also, on a lighter note, all the Ram, Sham, Sita, and Gita will be the names because those are the common names that I use. So he's Sham is a 35-year-old man, and he's always been very particular about hygiene. अब उनको ये लग रहा है कि उनका फियर एक्सेसिव हो गया है क्योंकि पहले भी हाइजीन पे वो बहुत ध्यान देते थे, लेकिन अब तो उनको ये फियर बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है कि आई विल कैच द इन्फेक्शन, and he keeps washing his hands, sanitizing the house, and he's almost afraid to go out. Unki daughter, who's 6 years old, is also very scared, and he's saying कि वो सुबह से शाम तक न्यूज़ देखते रहते हैं कितने केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं और कहाँ उनके एरिया में है, और now he's saying what should I do? And yeah, so इनके लिए हमारे पास कोई सजेशंस हैं जो लोग हैं? What do you, the COVID is very real. They are scared of the virus, and इन्होंने ये भी लिखा है कि इनकी daughter, she she almost is so terrified that if they have to go out, she says, okay, she's so scared they'll die or something will happen to them, and she's clinging to them very very much. And yes, so you know, so how does one deal with this? हमने हमारे जो ऑप्शंस हैं, I'll just put that. Of course, Mrinalini said that responsibilities. I think this is वो पहले वाले केस के लिए कि shared responsibilities, shared quality time. अगर ये प्लान करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा है. माधुरी कह रही है family is the backbone. Good support makes you strong. Talk to your family members. Conversations solve lot of issues, and remember, family is not your enemy. When you realize that, it will be easy, and this is a very very important thing. And that is, I think both of these are for the relationship issues, because we have another problem also, which is acceptance of fear is okay. For this problem of fear, acceptance of fear is the first step. Over there, they don't do a lot of social. Joshua is joined us, and Kenan Love, and he's saying that they don't over here. He's not here. He's not India, so he's not in India. So they don't do a lot of social distancing. People go out in groups and whatnot, even at hospitals. Um, you're right, Joshua. We talk about physical distancing. Physical distancing does not mean social distancing. ये भी problems आई हैं, but आज के सेशन में हमने नहीं ली हैं. तो इसके लिए हमने first thing जो हमने बोला है, जो हमें लगा कि both Sham and the family should restrict the news of COVID. You should be updated, but you don't have to listen to it all the time. You have to, and especially in front of the child, because here we are dealing with two things. बच्चा भी डरा हुआ है और फादर भी डरा हुआ है, and children unconsciously imbibe जो पेरेंट्स में होता है. तो अगर ये पूरी फैमिली ही डरी हुई है तो आपको लिमिट करना पड़ेगा. न्यूज़ आप अपने फोन पे भी ले सकते हैं. और this is the first thing. The second thing is how do you deal with fear? Fear is always something that's going to happen in the future. So it hasn't yet happened. और उसके लिए you have to live in the moment. Do activities. There are many many activities which bring you back to the moment. और एक एक्टिविटी ये है कि everyday basic survival things, will get you in the present. And there is there is one formula that we use, PCM, which is one thing, because this is all in the it is a real thing. This is a stressful situation, और uncertainty, और एक uncertainty ही नहीं है, एक fear of an unknown identity है, और ये बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल होता है. लेकिन स्ट्रेस में जनरली अगर आप कोई भी देखेगा, स्ट्रेस की एक साइकिल होती है, उसमें दो रिएक्शंस होते हैं आपके. इट कैन बी फाइट और फ्लाइट. अब यहाँ पे इस सिचुएशन में हमारे पास फ्लाइट का ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. सो वी आर ऑल लेफ्ट विद ओनली वन ऑप्शन, विच इज फाइट. एंड कृष्णा जी, आई एम जस्ट कमिंग टू द पीसी। तो अगर हमारे पास खाली एक ही ऑप्शन है टू ओनली फाइट, तो वो, क्योंकि as evolutionary as an evolutionary being, or even if you talk about animals or anybody, the first reaction is flight. अब वो अगर किसी ने हमसे हटा लिया है, हमारे पास केवल फाइट का एक्शन है, believe me, it is very stressful. Death is the biggest fear, and everything we work around it is to avoid that death. And today we are staring at death possibility, at the possibility of death. And yes, so how do you deal with it? It's not a look at the facts. First thing is restrict, take only jitni information you want, restrict your COVID related issues, COVID related news. और दूसरा जोशी जी ने भी बोला है, he's also said that COVID is not as serious. COVID, the recovery rate is there. Look at facts. People are recovering. If you manage to, you are already doing what you have to do, basic hygienic steps. And if your mind is, if your mind is, your immunity system is related to your mind. So keep your mind strong. And, on the physical level, you can take in all your supplements or whatever, you feel you have to do your, but one thing we can do to keep ourselves mentally, physically healthy is PCM. The first P stands for physical exercise. आप कुछ भी चीज करें, you can go do spot jogging करें, cooking करें, झाड़ू पोछा आपको मजा आता है, कुछ भी एक physical exercise करिए जहाँ पे आपकी heart rate और थोड़ी सी बढ़े. You need to increase your heart rate so that you take in a lot of oxygen, because a healthy body needs some physical exercise. The C in PCM is about creativity. Do one thing that is creative, that is your hobby and that you enjoy. And yes, people are already coming in. Meditation, painting helps, art helps. So, जो भी creative है, you can do anything. Even if you enjoy cooking, that's a very creative art. क्योंकि creative में क्या होता है, you are in the present moment. जब आप कुछ चीज कर रहे हैं जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, आप पास्ट और फ्यूचर के बारे में नहीं सोचते, आप उस चीज में इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं. और एम जो है पीसीएम का, एम इज ऑन माइंडफुलनेस. माइंडफुलनेस एक्टिविटीज कैन मीन एनीथिंग. इट कैन मीन प्राणायाम, योगा, मेडिटेशन अगर आप कर सकते हैं. आपको ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस हैं. आप अगर गूगल पे जाएंगे, इतने सारे एप्स हैं, इतने सारे मेडिटेशन, छोटी 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 चीजें हैं जो आप कर सकते हैं. और there are so suggestions are coming in. Peace is important, and to be peaceful. COVID, and Joshua ne likha hai, COVID is not as serious as they make it out to be. If your body doesn't practice killing germs and you worry about hand sanitizers, which barriers, you'll get more sick. You have to see, fear begins in the mind, and you have to keep on working to make your mind strong. A strong mind, of course, meditation, self-hypnotism too will help one rid of the virus even after it is infected, after, even if you are infected. But these are some things that we can do to, a lot of suggestions. The classic bathroom tiles itself, and housework is housework is another way to, it is one way to be in the present, because जब आप टाइल्स और जो बाथरूम टाइल्स को आप क्लीन करते हैं, आप कुछ और सोच के नहीं कर सकते. तो it is, these are some very very good suggestions. I'm sure Sham and these are some things that one can do. And uh, actually, we have one more, we have a few more cases, but okay, I'll take one last one, and which is about Sanjana. And this is another problem that's become a big problem. It's not just her. I've got many people who have the same problem. She's a working professional, and so is her husband. She lives with her two children, aged 12 and 9, and both, since both of them are working, and she also, her in-laws also stay with her. And she says that ever since this work from home has started, um, uh, there is, I want to take this before I talk. Joshua has said that don't stress on a strong mind either. Just be genuine to yourself. Flow. Mindfulness is also flow. So you just flow. And thank you, all of you, for those suggestions. And the last, this is Sanjana is, like I was saying, she's a working professional, and she has so many people in the house. And she says that, with this work from home thing, her husband is also working from home. She's also working, but she says she's tired, overburdened, and she just doesn't know what to do because uh, because of this. Because she has to go online, do the sessions, everything. So she's feeling overworked, and she says that she's become very short tempered and gets so angry. And she and her husband are having a lot of fights, almost coming to blows with each other. And she says that this was never before. And so she says, what do I do? And many of the suggestions which were coming before, I think they are good suggestions, but I would, I am looking for some more suggestions on how does she deal with these things. So again, there is a repetition, but ये जो problem है ना husband wife में, और इतना conflict हो रहा है, and the woman और जो काम से इतना burden feel कर रहे हैं because timings हैं, फिर you have to run in between. And exactly, Madhuri, the first thing is share the work, share your workload, because if you don't share, respond, if you share the, or if you want to use the word delegate, if you share the work, delegate the work, it means you you have, everybody has equal responsibility. और कई बार क्या होता है, बच्चों को लगता है कि हमें इतना काम दे रहे, make it fun. Everything else, let 9-year old and 12-year, both 12 and 9-year old, give them responsibility. Maybe कोई swapping, cleaning, and because if you won't delegate, कुछ बहुत difficult होगा. और जो conflict जिस level के हो रहे हैं, you have to do that. Share your workload, share your workload, share your workload. Secondly, I again come back to a very basic thing. Organize your day. Organize the day for everybody. You need to do that because, और जो आप अपना डे का ऑर्गेनाइज, वीक का, डे का करते हैं, डेली एक्टिविटी, दिस इज द टाइम, वो आप सबके साथ, यू हैव टू शेयर इट विद एवरीबडी. यू टेल एवरीबडी दिस इज द टाइम. और अगेन आई विल स्ट्रेस ऑन वी टाइम एंड मी टाइम. मतलब कुछ, हर एक जने के लिए मी टाइम बहुत जरूरी है. यू हैव टू हैव स्पेस वेयर यू कॉल इट इज योर स्पेस, जहाँ पे आप क्रिएटिविटी, माइंडफुलनेस, और जो आपका है मेडिटेशन, या आपको म्यूजिक सुनना है, म्यूजिक सुनिए, डांस करिए, कुछ भी चीज है क्रिएटिव, एक एक्टिविटी आप ले लीजिए. यू वांट टू बिकम, थिएटर का करना है, आजकल गूगल में सब चीजें फ्री है, क्लासेस है, कुछ भी चीज है, लेकिन एक मी टाइम आपको निकालना पड़ेगा. और जो आपका वी टाइम है वो भी आप रखिए, सो दैट ऑल ऑफ यू इंटरैक्ट, ऑल ऑफ यू स्पेंड क्वालिटी टाइम टुगेदर. लेकिन मोर देन दैट, you have to involve everybody in the housework. If your in-laws are fit, कुछ ना कुछ काम ऐसा है, हमारा तो जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम है, आप उनसे, उनको कई कई काम आप उनको दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब तक आप देंगे नहीं. और एक चीज है, हम, वी आर ऑलवेज, एज विमेन, हम सोचते हैं कि और एक्सपेक्टेशन भी होती है, और हम सोचते हैं हम वॉरियर्स हैं, हम सेवियर्स हैं, और हमारा ये सब हमारा काम है. हाउ कैन वी सीक हेल्प? एंड you have to seek help. You have to tell people. If you tell your husband, yes, this is, you would have told, but your in-laws and otherwise, everybody sit together and just share the work. And Madhuri is given de-stressing. Yes, one of the de-stressing activities is do a video call with your friends. Weekly, you can play a game online, or there are so many things we can creatively use. Joshua is saying the wife makes it a home. She can't forget, on top of work, she has stress. She should understand as well, and maybe help her take a break from time to time. Every family, exactly. Joshua, you're right. We all need a me time, and something that involves getting community together. और हाँ, कितनी सारी चीजें हम कर सकते हैं. वी कैन वॉलंटियर सम वर्क, विच, बिकॉज आपका दिमाग, आपका माइंड जो है, उस स्ट्रेस से थोड़ा बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा. एंड आई थिंक there are a lot of things that we can do, and uh, these are some of the options that you have before you, Sanjana. And and anger, of course, when you de-stress, when you talk to your friends, the anger, and you can share with them, and the anger can, of course, will come down, because you're already doing so much individual therapy sessions that one is already undergoing and talking about it. So these are some of the things. And today's session, the aim was that we start talking about small problems so that everybody feels, जो जिन लोगों ने ये लिखा है, उनको they should know that they are not alone. It is common, and there are people when you reach out. आज ही अगर हमने ये discuss करा, I have got so many new suggestions. Everybody's, I mean, it's been so many suggestions, which is a learning experience for us also, for conversationists also. And and there are, I think that if everybody gets involved, community and everybody, it helps. With this, I want to leave this. I want to leave everybody with one case where I look for. I would request all of you to think about it and give me suggestions so that we can share with everybody. And this is a everyday phenomena. Uh, Yes, Madhuri, you're absolutely right. Practice social distancing at home. वो जो me time है ना, उसको me time बनाना ही पड़ेगा. We all need our personal space. And 9 to 5, and mind will not accept. Mind has to. Mind is it's the monkey mind, and we need to train it, because अभी तक हमने कभी इतना focus ही नहीं करा mind पे. और I thank all of you for your participation. Ek last, I want to leave you with one small case, because and then when we come in next Saturday again, the same time, we will be taking some more cases. आपको अगर लगता है कि आपकी कोई problem है and you want us to talk about it, please write in to us. आप WhatsApp भी कर सकते हैं, हमारे phone numbers भी हैं, आप WhatsApp कर दीजिए, message कर दीजिए. Rest assured, we will not, your name, identity will not be disclosed, but but बहुत सारे लोग इससे बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे. I just want to show how the kind of work we've done in these few months. एक slide है. We just want to show the reach that we have. Can you just put on that slide? you know, Till now we have done more than 21 live conversations, and our total reach has been more than 50,000 people, and more than more than total views have been these many. And I mean, so we are very, very grateful to everybody for this, that we have been able to reach out. हमारा main aim conversation is talking chaos का था, to to talk about things, क्योंकि सबसे पहले तो लोग बात ही नहीं करते हैं इनके बारे में. People don't talk, they don't tell you that there is a problem at home. And I I want that, Krishna ji, you have said you have a case. Please write to us. Please share it with us. You can message us on Facebook. And this has been our reach in these 3-4 months. And the last case I want to leave you with something to think about is this, that uh, this is a young girl, and or it can be a boy, whatever we take. And in this lockdown, the person has been feeding stray dogs, and he has written that they are facing abuse and harassment from certain people. Or it's not just this, they are saying that, okay, because when we talk of animals, most people don't understand ये cause क्या है. तो घर पे भी there is no support, and it's not just harassment. They are facing eve teasing. The girl, this is a group that sent this. So the girls are saying they face eve teasing, harassment, and boys are facing abuse and people are hitting them only because they are going to feed the stray dogs. और लड़कियां कह रही हैं कि वो घर में नहीं बता सकती, क्योंकि naturally parents will say, okay, now you don't have to go out, don't do this. और दूसरा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि पेरेंट्स को और उनको लगता है कि ये क्या चीज़ है, आप अपने करियर पे फोकस करो, बिकॉज यूर ओनली यंग कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स. और बट ड्यू टू दिस वर्किंग इज ऑल्सो डिफिकल्ट, एंड they are saying they know they can go to the police and everything, but that is not the solution. So I want to leave all of you with this. What do you think? How does one change this? And what are the options? How should they go? Krishna ji, thank you for reaching out. Of course, we will talk on this, and I will get in touch with you, and we'll talk about this. Ma'am, Renu Kishore ma'am is here, Jayant is here, Ratna is here. Thank you to all of you. And ये केस इसका आप सोचिए कि जो लोग स्ट्रे डॉग्स को फीड कर रहे हैं या एनिमल्स को फीड कर रहे हैं, जो आजकल कर रहे हैं वो मेनली यंग पीपल हैं, और यंग पीपल होने से उनको बहुत सारा अब्यूज सुनना पड़ता है। पीपल बॉयज को तो मार भी दिया है, और कृष्णा जी खुद ही कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारे जो ये बच्चे कर रहे हैं दिल्ली एनसीआर में और सारे लोकल एरियाज में और जहाँ है, उनको बहुत सारा दे आर फीलिंग वेरी हैविस्ड एंड दे डोंट नो हाउ टू what to do about it. And this is with this is the first case we are going to take up in the next session. I look forward to your responses. और अगर आपको लगता है कि you have anything, please send us, keep writing to us. We are very obliged, grateful. And with this, reach out to us, share your stories. And if you have any more ideas that we should be working on, or any conversations that you feel we should be holding, please get in touch with us. We love to do those conversations. We love to host you also. And if you feel you have a story, we love to share your story. If you can share it yourself, आप आइए, talk to us, reach out to us. Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend, and thank you for joining in, and namaskar, and enjoy your weekend.